Hello, everyone. This is the weekly review for Model United Nations from March 1st to March 5th. We began the week deciding on what type of product could be created for the summative assessment we are going to have to wrap up Unit 1. Examples that students generated included a slideshow, a video, or a letter to the Secretary General explaining the student's position on the relevance of the United Nations. We reviewed the criteria for the Unit 1 summative. We're working on meeting two indicators through this project, developing a position and methods of inquiry. The summative assessment overview included criteria for both meeting and exceeding both of these standards. The remainder of the week, we worked on completing both formative assessments and the summative assessment, which will be due next week on March 11th. Our newest four-class focus and executive functioning seal was respect, which included being engaged in class, emphasizing the benefits and satisfaction of learning, and attempting to complete work in a timely fashion. We began Unit 2, the UN's role in crisis response. We had another writing prompt that unpacked the language of the new indicator we'll be working on, which is developing individual and collaborative decisions. And we also brainstormed between two choices of crises that we could focus on in our work moving forward with Unit 2. Next week, we'll be finishing the summative assessment for Unit 1 and moving on to Unit 2, the UN's role in crisis response. We'll begin to review a background guide to a crisis. If I remember correctly, the crisis that we were focusing on would have been the definition of torture. So we will begin to assign countries and research those individual countries' position on that particular crisis subject and moving forward. That's it for now. Take care.